Hi kids, welcome back to our YouTube channel Hope to Glow. Kids, hope you all are doing well. Today we are back with the same thing that we have learned in the last video. You can see the link in the description box. Kids, we were doing short sentences that we can use in our daily life, daily routine. When we are doing something, we are talking with our mother, father, or anyone else. So these are sentences which if you will use in your daily routine, you will get better and better in your English. Okay, so let's get started. What is this? ये क्या है? What is this? ये क्या है? What is this? ये क्या है? Keep quiet. खामोशी इख्तियार करो. Keep quiet. खामोशी इख्तियार करो. Keep quiet. खामोशी इख्तियार करो. Get ready. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. तैयार हो जाओ. Get ready. तैयार हो जाओ. Show me. मुझे दिखाओ. Show me. मुझे दिखाओ. Show me. मुझे दिखाओ. Come in. अंदर आ जाओ. Come in. अंदर आ जाओ. Come in. अंदर आ जाओ. Anything special? कुछ खास? Anything special? कुछ खास? Anything special? कुछ खास? Something special. Something special? कुछ खास. Something special? कुछ खास. Something special? कुछ खास. Don't jump. छलांग ना लगाएं. Don't jump. छलांग ना लगाएं. Don't jump. छलांग ना लगाएं. You will get hurt. आपको तकलीफ होगी. You will get hurt. आपको तकलीफ होगी. You will get hurt. आपको तकलीफ होगी. You will fall down. आप गिर जाएंगे. You will fall down. आप गिर जाएंगे. You will fall down. आप गिर जाएंगे. Kids, I hope this will help you in speaking English in your daily routine, and I advise you to try to use this sentence in your daily routine. Speak in English. You will get better and better with this English. Hope you like this video. Like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.